Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to post highlights on Instagram from PC. In order to do so, first off, here we are at Instagram.com and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for is on the left hand side in the menu, we're going to select Profile. And then once we have selected Profile, then you can see here this icon that looks like a plus sign. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And from here, we can add a new highlight. Let's go ahead and let's just call this, welcome. Why not? And hit next. And then from there, we'll just select something here. That looks cute. We'll go ahead and hit next on that. That's a nice little cover. And then we're going to go ahead and click done. So now you can see that that has added this to our highlights, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.